Today I will explain how to trade using the DeMarker Indicator. Okay, now let's go straight to the discussion and watch this video until it's finished. DeMarker is one of the indicators developed by Tom DeMark, which is currently the most favored by most traders in the Forex world. Click the indicator menu here. After that we select the DeMarker indicator. Here I use period 14, the overbought color is orange, oversold is red and the main line is yellow. This DeMarker indicator can be used in MetaTrader 4 and 5, and traders can also use this DeMarker strategy as a signal in determining up in the Forex market. When the indicator line falls below the 30 level and the price will be oversold, the price will be expected to rise. Then what traders should do is opt buy. The line of the DeMarker indicator, usually for the oscillator, is located in the additional window below the price chart. The indicator's DEM values range from 0 to 1, or 0 to 100%, with a critical zone level of 3070. The logic we can take from this DeMarker strategy: output in the zone above 0.770, wait for the max, ready to fall, and if the price is in the area below 0.330, wait until the minimum and the price is ready to rise. Breakdown of level 70 and below, sell. Level 30 and above, open buy. Therefore, the DeMarker strategy is the easiest for traders to read and use as an op signal in trading transactions on the Forex market.
Hey there. Subscribe to my channel. And also press this bell icon.
When the indicator line rises above the level of 70 and the price is overbought, the price will fall. It is expected that the trader will make sell transactions.
also press this bell icon.